Hello mga kayopi! We're here at Starfinder today because I had to get new glasses because mine broke recently. And my sister decided to get glasses too because her vision's getting blurry lately. So now we're getting new ones.
Si Pia. I-videohan natin si Pia. Hindi na rin mabasa ni Pia. Yellow and pink. Ganyan na lang glass nyo. Maganda oh. Hiya, sumunod na. Ganyan daw ang glasses ni Kuya. Tama. Gusto mo ganyan? Ha? Ha? Ayaw mo na ganyan. Yan. Pinagbabawalan mag-gadget na hanap lagi yung cellphone. Oh no. No. Okay? Okay? May drinks oh. Babay kayo kay doktor oh. Ayan ang mami. Oh, picture kaya, picture ko kayang dalawa. Stand dan, stand.